In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales pipeline. First, log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head straight to the Deals section. This is where your pipeline lives and where you'll track every opportunity from first contact to a win or a loss. In the Deals view, click Pipeline, then choose the option to create a new pipeline. Give it a clear name, let's call it Sales Pipeline, so your team immediately understands its purpose. A sales pipeline is a visual way to map each step of your selling process. Deals move from left to right through stages as you progress conversations, and the pipeline helps you focus on what needs attention and forecast revenue more accurately. Now add a new stage. A stage represents a specific milestone in your process. Think of it like a checklist step your deal must pass before moving forward. Rename this new stage to Win-Lost. This is where you'll ultimately mark deals as won or lost, so it's helpful to have it visible at the end of the pipeline. Set the probability for this example stage to 50. Probabilities help with forecasting. They indicate the likelihood a deal in that stage will close. Your forecast multiplies deal value by probability, so choose numbers that reflect real outcomes. In the proposal made stage, set the probability to 70. By this point, prospects have seen your offer, so the chance of closing is higher than early stages. You'll notice several stages already exist by default: proposal made, negotiations started, demo scheduled, contact made, and qualified. Keep what fits and add only what you need to match your real process. Set the contact made stage to 30%. Early contact is promising, but still uncertain. Leave the demo scheduled stage at its default 100% probability for this setup. Then set qualified to 30% as well. You've verified fit, but there's still work to do before a close. Click Save Changes to lock in your pipeline structure. Next, let's add a deal. Click the plus icon on any stage where you want the deal to start. Enter the contact person, then the organization tied to that contact. Add the deal value, the probability for this deal, and choose a realistic expected closing date so your forecast is meaningful. When everything looks good, click Save. If you see a final confirmation, click Save again. That's it. You've created a sales pipeline in Pipedrive, complete with stages, probabilities, and your first deal. Keep refining names and probabilities as you learn what works best for your team. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.